welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia. I absolutely love playing around with colourful makeup, and today we're doing another revisit, guys. Sorry, I'm still waiting on new stuff coming. I've got the She Glam Wizard of Oz collection coming, so we will do a video showing all of that collection and playing with it, and we'll maybe even do a comparison to Revolution's Wizard of Oz collection as well. I've also got Colourpop's Tangled palette coming, and I have got Flubber Nose, their new collection. I think it's called Shell's Jewel, I think. I've got a big box of that coming to play with as well. So yeah, we're going to be doing a revisit, and it's to the Plouise, I think it's called Cake All Over bundle, and it was like a palette. There was 3 different blushes and a mascara. So, and the palette is called, I'll just bring it over here, Make-A-Wish, and it's a very pink leaning, purple leaning palette. There is a little bit of neutral down here, but yeah, down here it's sort of purpley pink, it's almost sort of corally pink in the middle, and peachy tones and things. So we're just going to create a look with this again, and we're going to use, I've already gone and picked one of the blushes. It's called Fine Candy. I'll just open it up and let you see it. To me it looks like an egg. It looks like a flipping Kinder egg. And you open it like that, and it's this shade here that we're going to use on the cheeks. I like to sort of dab my brush on it and then apply it, rather than apply it directly to the cheeks, because I find in it that it doesn't apply so well if we do it that way. Then we've got the mascara. I can't remember what it's called. Is it Crybaby or it's something Cry? Pretty sure of it. I've already got my base on. I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk foundation. I really like that foundation a lot. I have though found a new product that I absolutely love. If you're a mature, person like me, sometimes you have some lines, fine lines and wrinkles that you don't like, maybe some, sagging under the eyes. It's a great product. It's a Peter Thomas Roth. I think that's the person that, yeah, and it's like an eye gel. And I always just tap it around here and maybe a little bit, here, and then I blast it with my hairdryer to dry it, and it's like magic. It totally tightens the skin and tightens. It's obviously just a temporary solution, but it's great. I've been using it quite a lot. I've actually not got it on today, but anyway, we're just going to get stuck right in. I've got on my lips the Ember shade from Julie Boone, and we're just going to get stuck right into the palette. And I'm actually quite sure what I want to do. I think I'm going to take my angled brush, and I think we're going to go into, what do we want to do here? For the inner, I think we'll go into this shade here. Now the shades have got names, but unfortunately, because it's in, well actually they don't, it's a section, and it's called Party Animal, that section. It's this one here. And I'm just going to go in and just start mapping out what I want, like my shape. I'm just going to bring it up and around like so. Kind of up to my eyebrow almost. But yeah, I've got all the makeup coming, so I've just got to wait. I'm hoping it's going to come during the week. And I am still obviously, I said I was going to do like a cider haul with some pieces of clothing that I've got, quite like that, that's fine. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and we're going to go into the one above, this one here, and that section is called What's Your Filling? I'm guessing it's all related to cakes, I think, because it's called the Cake All Over or bundle, I'm not sure. I'm just buffing it out a bit. Just a little bit. Go back in. I might even actually deepen it even more with a shade below, just a little bit, like so. This on the other side. Yeah, quite like that. I'm gonna just buff out again. Yeah, I quite like that. And then I'm going to take my angled brush again. I'm just going to wipe that off and we're going to move over into this section, and I think I'm going to go into this shade here, and that section is called Cravings. And I'm just going to create like a little wing and so. Round. That looks okay. And I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to go to this one here, and that is called Layers of Love. And we're just going to very lightly so, now I've got all these different shimmers to use. I'm kind of sort of thinking that I want to use this one in the inner corners, and then I'm just using the finger. I know. I just find it sometimes easier to get into the corners, and then I'm going to take a flat brush. I think we're going to go more into this one here. Well, sometimes the brush picks up quite well, and then other times it doesn't. Just going to start bringing that over like so. Do the same on the other side. I might actually go in with my finger just a little bit, just to get a bit more of a better peel. And we'll maybe go to the one below, just to kind of put at the ends and get the blend. Yeah, that looks quite nice. Yeah, I quite like that. So we used that shimmer and that shimmer. And then the top one's from What's Your Filling, and the one in the middle's from Party Animal. It's weird, the shades don't actually have names, the sections have names. That's that. Then we're going to take the little blush. And yeah, I quite like, that's the shade there, to just go in with my brush and get it on the end. And do it like so, really lightly. Yeah, that's better. Do the same on the other side. Notice at Colourpop have done another release. I think is it Lilo and Stitch. It's a Lilo and Stitch collection. It does look quite cute. And I think Lethal Cosmetics are about to do a new collection. It's a collab with, is it Adventure Time? Pretty sure She Glam did a collection with them as well. I'm quite intrigued as to what that'll look like, because I think it'll be quite colourful, I'm guessing. Next, I'm going to go into their mascara. I can't remember, is it Crybaby? It's something to do with crying. That's what we'll go with. I do like the packaging of this, because it's obviously quite sort of sparkly. I think it's quite pretty. I'm just gonna... What I'll do is I'll link the previous video at the end of this video, so if you want to go in and have a look, you know, the other looks I created. And well, obviously I do show you the whole collection, so you can see the other shades of blush, etc. as well. I can't remember, I think I maybe swatched, I don't know if I swatched the whole palette, it was maybe just some of it. I can't remember off the top of my head or if I did that or not. I think I did. It'll all be in the previous video for you to check out. Some mascara. And I'm just going to go in with my Dual Lash Glue, and I've got some lashes that I've already cut to size. And I'm just going to go ahead and put those on. Absolutely roasting. This is my living room. If you didn't didn't know. Behind me usually sits my TV, but obviously for the video, I don't want a big TV in the background, so I'll move it. It's absolutely roasting my living room. Pep is sitting on the sofa. Didn't want to come in the video at the beginning, guys, sorry. He's actually hiding under a blanket. He's obviously, I don't know, trying to shade himself from the heat. That's fine. I'll just take these lashes. I just realised that I've put the glue into the wrong box. There we go. That's right. And what we could maybe do as well is take one of the shimmer shades and use it as a highlighter. I think we'll use this one here. Just apply it over the top. It would be quite nice as like a little highlight. And that's the finished look. Let's just open up this palette again. It is a very purpley pink coral looking palette. There is a little bit down here at the end that's very neutral if you're not keen on colour, you know, but it's a very, very pretty palette. I do like playing with it. If you like pinks and purples, this is a really, really nice palette to play with. The shimmers are really, really pretty. The mattes always blend really, really well. There is these creamy shadows which I've not tried yet. I'm not really into creamy shadows. I don't know, they're just, to me they look like lipsticks. I think I said that in the previous video, they look like lipsticks. No. But anyway, that's the palette. I'll just show you the little blush that I used again. This is cute packaging. Rain's always pink with Plouise. It's got a little heart. I don't know if you can see that on the front, and you just turn it. It's like that. And I have used the shade, because you do get 3 shades in the bundle. Fine and Candy, that's what I've used on my cheeks today. And there is another 2, I can't remember the names of them. And this is also the mascara. It's a very, very nice bundle. I can't remember how much the bundle was, but it was quite reasonably priced. It is a very, very nice bundle. But anyway, I hope you've watched my video. I will be back again next week with another one. See you all again soon.